As you can see, I hear a freight train going wild. So I decided to take a look at it. This is recorded on a Sunday, November 21st, 2021. I think it's 5:01 Eastern Standard Time. Alright, but we say we get a closer look at it since, yeah, all this dies out. So come on, let's go. Don't think this might be a good idea, but if I want to get the film, I gotta move fast. So this is like the first time I actually try to film at this cornfield. It's actually by my house, not too far from here, only like 2 or 3 minutes away. Hold on, once again, let me try to find like a spot and I'll get back to recording. Okay, I hear it coming closer. I just don't see it yet, but it's around. I can hear it. I can hear it. And some of you may can, but I hear it. Yep, there it goes again. The horn from the distance. I can see if I can try to get a little bit closer, but this is how far I am right now. So I'm not trying to be too far from my home. So, all right. Where's Neil? Oh. Almost dropped the camera. Whoops. All right. Due to the trees over here, I have no leaves and stuff. It's getting closer. I think there might be a good chance I might try to get it. I might keep going a little until I reach that part. That'll be easier now to see what the numbers are, so I can do my research of what type of class is it. Okay. Almost there. It will be easier if I was at the crossing gate, but still. Alright, this is how far I can try to go for now. Actually, those things are in the way, so can't go past there. So, seeing this, I think there's like a picnic table and stuff I see. Yeah, here it is. Alright, once I see the diesel, I'll start filming. The horn is getting closer. Might try to see if I can. Oh, I'll try to be over here at this field so I can get a bit closer. Okay, easy. Okay. All right. This is as far as I can go. Okay. So there's a. I mean, I should explore this place more often because I think it's like a park or something. But I hear the diesel, so I may not have like a lot of time to do that. Get a little bit closer. Once I see like a headlight or the diesel itself, I'll just get back to recording. Just gotta wait for a few more minutes. I think it's not fully there yet. I hear the horn. It was very close. Yep. Time to move. It's coming closer. It's time to move. Let's go. I hear it. Alright. Oh, There it is. All right, showtime. I gotta get the number. Stop moving so I can see. 517, I got that. And 30, 50, 53, 39, 53, 60, 53, it was 53.93. I got that. Okay, I got those two numbers. Great. It's more than mixed traffic train. I'm sorry the camera's a little wonky. Alright, I gotta keep the camera right there, at that angle. So if it's just gonna be like another helper diesel at the very end. My heart is seriously pounding fast right now. Alright, I won't call this a short. Freight. Like I said, there's a lot of tank cars, so well, it might be some kind of local train. Yep, there's a helper. Alright, I gotta get the number. 557. Got it. I think that's like the same one as last time. I don't know. It might be. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to have the camera so high up. Wow. It's like the second time I feel a train here in my area. My eyes are kind of my glasses is kind of foggy, not my eyes, sorry. I just can barely see with some of this. There goes the Gannon line. I think that's what it's called. Alright. Dang, we went past 4 minutes. We ain't done yet. Alright, I see the end of the boxcar, so that should be it. Wow, that was a long one, man. Well, I hope you guys enjoy another Railfanning video. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I am planning on doing more Railfanning videos around this area. It's got to get to like the train itself on time, so that was the problem lately. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next Railfanning video. Take care, be good people.